Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export your PowerPoint slides with custom resolutions. So basically, let's say you have a slide and you want to export the slide with a specific resolution, let's say 1920 to 1080p. So how are you going to do that? I'm going to show you in this video. So let's just first jump onto PowerPoint, and let's say this is our slide and we want to export this slide with a custom resolution, let's say 1920 into 1080p. So how are you gonna do that? So first we jump onto the design tab. Under the design tab there is a thing called slide size, and then we select custom slide size. This window pops up and then you select custom. So now notice that the problem in here is that the width and the height is in inches rather than in pixels. We are more used to things like 1920 to 1080p, 1280 into 720p, which are all in pixels, not in inches. So basically what you have to do is we have to find a converter to convert this inch to pixels. So we jump onto Google and then we search something like inch to pixel X and Y conversion, and a bunch of results will come up. So I went to this one, and it and here comes a converter. So under from we select pixel X, and under to we select inch. So let's say we want our width to be 1920 pixels. 1920. So 1920 pixels is exactly 20 inches. So we again jump back to PowerPoint and then we type in here 20 inches. So now we need the height. Same process again. So this time we select pixel Y and then we type 1080p. So 1080p is exactly 11.25 inches. We again go back to PowerPoint and we type 11.25. So then you press OK. So this is taking a bit time. So after you press OK, PowerPoint is going to ask you, do you want to, sometimes it asks you, do you want to keep your slide extended, or do you want the image to be extended, or do you want to fit the screen? So it depends upon you. And then you have to export your slide. So we go to File and then we go to Export. Under Export we select change file type. You want to keep it if you want you can keep it as a slide. If you want you can turn it into an image. So let's say we want to turn it into a JPEG image. So now let's say we select JPEG, and then let's say under desktop we save it as image1. Very creative name. So then let's just go on and save this image, and then we'll just select just this one. So after this, so this is the one we saved, image1. So when we put our cursor over there, it says here it'll eventually say 1920 in 1080p. So this basically is an image that displays in the resolution you wanted it to be. So that's it for this video. Talk to you guys in the next one.